Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the Cantab Publisher video lessons. Before starting the lesson, dear student, you must have with you your class 4 English textbook, resource pack and summer pack. Resource pack is for parents and teachers guidance. You can also download it from Cantab Publisher official website. We will start our lesson from unit number 2, Words Matter. SLOs of this lesson are: learn the use of there is and there are. Learn the use of is there and are there. Now look at the page number 13 in your textbook. We have a grammar section here. Look at the first section here. What it says. We will understand the concept of there is and there are in a sentence. Obviously, is and are helping verb. It helps us to complete the sentence. And it indicates to the present situation. Like we use there is to show the existence of a single item or person in the present situation. Is refers to one thing, one person. There is to show the existence of one single item or person in the present situation. Here the is indicates to the present situation and to one item, to one single item or person which is present in this situation. I hope you are familiar with the singular and the plural. Singular indicates to one thing or one person and plural indicates to more than one. Let me give you some example of this one. How it will indicate or tell you or show the existence of a single item or person. There is a book in my hands. Here, a book is a singular item here. So, we will add here is, there is, to indicate, to show that there is one item, one singular item here. Now look at the second use, there are. We use there are to show the existence of two or more items or persons in the present situation. Yes, in this we have a plural form, more than one, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. That's why we will use are here. Are indicates to more than one and to show the existence of two or more items or person in the present situation. Is for the singular and are for the plural, more than one. Let me give you some example. There are some books in my hands. Here we change the number here. In this one there is only one book here, but there are some books here. Look at the books, the plural form of book. Some may be, we can also replace it in there are 2 books or 3 books. But it indicates the books, the plural form indicates that there is more than one books here in his hand. So it is indicated that in present situation he has more than one book. So that's why we have added there are here to show more items. Now look at some more example to understand more. There is and there are. We use there is and there are to say that something exists. To show that something exists in the present situation. Something is present right now. We use there is for singular item or person. And there are for plural, more than one. Look at the example here. There is one table in the classroom. Look what it is indicating, that there is only one singular item, one table in the classroom. So we have added is here because table is one. Look at the second example. There are 3 chairs in the classroom. Here the chairs is more than one. We have specific number 3. More than 1 is 3. Yes, we have 3 chairs. That's why we have added there are here. Look at the third one. There is a spider in the bath. Here the spider is 1. So we have added there is here to indicate one item here. Look at the fourth one. There are 2 spiders in the bath. We have 2 spiders now. So we have added there are here to show more than one item. We have 2 spiders in the bath. Now look at the second section, asking questions using is there or are there. Question means to interrogate or to ask something from someone. Look at this one. We use is there in the beginning of a sentence to ask a question about the existence of a single item or person in the present situation. When we ask something, when we interrogate something, we also put a question mark in writing. When we ask about the existence of a single item or person in the present situation, we will swap up both of these from there is to is there, because here we are asking a question. We are asking about the existence of an item. If it's there, is there, presently there. Let me give you an example. Is there a mouse in the kitchen? Here, I'm asking a question. That's why I have put question mark here. And I'm asking about a one singular mouse here, a mouse. So, when we ask question, we swap is in the first and we put there after that because we are asking question. It's a grammar practice. We do this. When we ask question, we put the helping verb is in the start of a sentence. Now look at this one. We use are there in the beginning of a sentence to ask a question about the existence of 2 or more items or persons in the present situation. This is very simple, like we did in the last section. We will do the same here. If we are asking about more persons or items, we will use are. And when we are asking in a question form, in interrogation form, we will swap up both. We will change the position of both because we are now asking question. We will use are they. Let me give you an example. Are there 2 cats in the kitchen? Here, cats are 2. Plural form, more than 1. So, and I am asking a question here. I have put a question mark in the end. And I'm asking about the 2 items, 2 persons here. So I have added are in the first and put there after that. Because I'm asking a question. We have to swap this when we ask question. Look at the interrogative form. Singular form is this. Is there a book on your desk? A book is a singular item. So we have put is here and there after that. In the plural form, are there 3 boards in your classroom? Here the boards are 3. We have a specific number 3 and boards plural form. So we have added are there because we are asking about more than one item. I hope you have learned this concept of there is and there are. Now let's move to the exercise of it. Look at the page number 13 of your textbook and question number 2. Fill the blanks with there is or there are. There is for one item and person, and there are for more than one items and person. This is very simple. You can do this. 10 pencils in the box. Yes, we have 10 pencils. Specific number 10. So it will be, yes, there are. Look at the second one, a bicycle in the garage. Yes, we are talking about a bicycle, only one item, one bicycle. So we will add there is. Look at the third one, some cups on the table. Yes, we have cups, some cups, more than one. So we will add there are here. Look at the fourth one. TV in the bedroom. Yes, there is only one TV, so we will choose there is here. Look at the fifth one. 3 chairs in the kitchen. Yes, 3 specific number, 3 items here. So we will choose there are. Look at the sixth one. Many parrots on that tree. Yes, we are talking about here many parrots, more than one. So we will choose there are. Okay, the seventh one, a newspaper on the carpet. Here the newspaper is a one singular item. So we will choose there is. Two tables in the drawing room. Yes, we have more than one items, 2 tables. So we will choose there are. Now look at the question number 3. Fill the blanks with is there and are there. Now this is interrogative form, question form. We will ask questions. You have to put is there for one item and are there for more than one items. And this all are in question, in interrogative form. Look at the first one. 5 pencils in the box. Yes, 5 pencils, more than one. So what we will do, we will choose are there. Very good. Look at the second one, a motorbike in the garage, a singular item here. So for a singular item, we will choose is there. Look at the third one, some plates on the table. Yes, some plates, more than one. We will choose are there. Okay, the fourth one, a computer in your home. Yes, a computer, one item. We'll choose is there. Fifth one, 6 chairs in the kitchen. More than one, specific number 6 chairs, more than one item. So we will choose are there. Okay, the sixth one, many trees in the garden. Yes, we have many trees, many items. So we will choose are there many trees in the garden. Because the seventh one, a bag in your hand. Yes, one singular item, a here. We will write is there. 4 decoration pieces. Here it's about the 4 pieces of decoration in the drawing room. Yes, 4 pieces we have. We will choose are there. This is your homework from summer pack. We have learned the concept of there is and there are in both positive and interrogative form. So I think it will be very easy for you to do this. This is also your homework from summer pack. And dear students, what you need to do, you have to underline there is and there are. The use of there is and there are in this page from your unit number 2. This is on your page number 10. You have to read this carefully, and if you think and if you spot out the use of there is and there are in positive form or in interrogative form, you have to underline it. This is also your homework. I hope you can do this and you enjoyed my lesson. Thank you.